behalf of our master student of Australian Institute for Science and Technology, I, Sophia, am learning in English literature and teaching English to speakers at the languages threshold. Today, I'm pleased to present you a topic of professional presentation subject. Professional presentation is a form of professional communication in an organizational environment. Professional presentation is created with a specific and targeted audience. The fundamental idea of professional presentation is to deliver content to an audience. So, its content is a main element as a king. Moreover, to succeed in professional presentation, we must follow its structure: beginning, middle, end. After completing my midterm assessment of the subject in professional presentation, I am interested in the mechanics of voice production to supporting meaning of the contents and to assist engage the audience during professional presentation of former President of the United States, Barack Obama. Hence, I would like to present you 5 simple ideas of this mechanic of voice production during the presentation. It is volume of speech. The actual volume of speaker voice is a key factor in the communication of content. In practice, although the speaker uses a microphone, the volume of speaker voice may be amplified electronically by a technician. Consequently, speaker always can raise or lower and modulate the volumes according to the force of the voice production or proximity to a microphone. Be good self-control and be always ready for presentation. Remember 4 techniques of volume control. It focuses on our voice control, our volume control, and our microphone control to gain and regain our audience attention. Secondly, it is pace. When speakers speak, their pace simply refers to the speed of their speech. In conversation, the average of words per minute is around from 120 to 130 words per minute. The pace is depending on the context and purpose of the presentation. It is mean that a slower speech of word in minutes is most likely to be more effective in the presentation practice. Usually, varying the pace of your delivery is probably the best technique in presentation. Remember that your audience need to hear and think about presentation content. To present more effectively, do not forget during presentation, please slow down. Thirdly, it is emphasis. Emphasis is physically produce the words. It could draw audience attention to an essential point during presentation. It means that speaker can be highly effective to communicate their audience significantly. There is no real rule to require the speakers to emphasize any word, but they should emphasize only some key words such as adjective and adverb. For push, there are 2 essential types of pushing techniques, like short push and long push. Short push is intermittent push between word or phrase, but long push is at the end of sentence or section. Both of them can assist the success of speaker professional presentation because of a bridging opportunity, bringing drama and emphasis to content, and allowing for consideration and search. Fifthly, it is tone. Tone, it is the tone of voice. The tone of voice can actually refer to several different parts of a presenter technique, such as rhetorical form, audio quality, and imitative tone and accent. In terms of actual voice production, speaker tone is measured in the frequency of the sound wave that prepares a spoken word. To succeed in professional presentation, we should consist of well-prepared plans, such as content, structure, and techniques before presentation practice. Thanks for your attention, dear Matthew. Sincerely.